So here you can see, guys, the computer is making too much noise. Okay, it's making a lot of noise, and this is not nice anymore. You can see. So these are the certain things, and we're having the bookcase here. Where's Daddy? Okay. Hey, Pajace, what's up? I can grab your this thing. Yeah. So, anyways, something. Open our white light, no, yellow light, and that's looking so awesome. So, these are the certain things which I'm having now. Okay, that's some other things, but for now I'm doing a lot of things. After that I will do some good things around. And anyways, let's go straight catch up to the third video.